Okay, let's look at the back side. Kylie has a coin and a number cube. She flips the coin and rolls the number cube once. What is the probability that the coin lands tails up and the cube lands on 4? And remember, when we have and, it's multiply. So the probability of coin landing on tails is 1/2. Multiplied the number cube landing on 4. There's 1 4 on the number cube out of 6 possible outcomes. And if you multiply those together, 1 times 1 is 1, and 6 times 2 is 12. So you get 1/12. If she completed the experiment 20 times, how many times could she expect to roll an even number and a coin land on heads? So the even number on a number cube is 3 out of 6. And a coin landing on heads is 1/2. So if you multiply those together, you get 3/12. So you take that 3/12, you set up a proportion, and then 12 be the total outcomes, and then you put 20 here. You roll it 20 times or complete it 20 times, and you multiply these two. 3 times 20 is 60, equals 12x. Divide by 12 to get x by itself. X equals 5 times. Number 3, there are 10 marbles in a bag. 3 are green, 2 are yellow, and 5 are blue. So our possible outcomes are 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 5 is 10. So our possible outcomes is 10. So I'm going to abbreviate that right there. If you draw a marble, replace it, and then draw another, what is the probability of choosing 2 yellow marbles? So there's 2 yellow marbles. So you've got 2/10, and it's and. So you're going to multiply that. And then another yellow is 2/10 because you put it back. You multiply those, you get 4 out of 100. And 4 out of 100 simplifies to 1/25. If you draw a marble 150 times, how many times would you expect to choose a blue or a yellow marble? Or means add. So how many blue marbles do we have? 5. So we got 5/10 plus yellow, which is 2/10, which gives us 7/10. And then we do that just like we did up in problem 2. We take the 7/10 and set a proportion with 150 on the bottom. Multiply. 7 times 150 is 1050, equals 10x. Divide by 10. X equals 105 times. The probability of choosing a green, a yellow, or yellow marble is as likely as choosing a blue marble. Number 4, 2 number cubes are rolled sequentially. What is the probability that the first number cube shows a 2 or a 3? So if we do those, if it shows a 2, there's 1 2 out of 6, or means to add, and then there's 1 3. So we do that and we get 2 6 when we add them together, which reduces to 1/3. Okay, so we have the 1/3, and then it comes down and says, and the other number shows an even number. So and means multiply. So an even number, there's 3, 2, 4, 6. And you get those. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. And that simplifies to 1/6. All right. One card from a deck of cards is selected, replaced, and another card is chosen. What is the probability that the first card is a red card and the second card is a diamond? So there's 52 cards in a deck. We have hearts, diamonds, spades, and then and there's 13 of each. So what is the probability the first card is a red card? So there's 13 here and 13 here. So that's 26 out of 52. And it's and, so we multiply. The second card is a diamond. So there's 13 diamonds out of 52. So instead of multiplying straight across, I'm going to do some canceling out here. 13 goes into 13 one time, and 13 goes into 52 4 times. 26 goes into 26 one time, and 26 goes into 52 2 times. 1 times 1 is 1, and 4 times 2 is 8. Dexter has 4 different coins in his pocket. He randomly selects a coin from his pocket, replaces it, and then selects another coin. What is the probability that the coins are dimes? So if he has 4 coins in his pocket, the dime being it's a 1 in 4 shot that it's a dime. And then we're going to multiply, and if both are dimes, it's going to be another 1 in 4 shot. 1 times 1 is 1, and 4 times 4 is 16. So there's a 1 in 16 chance that both coins are dimes. Cameron has a bag of 24 letter tiles. Some are vowels and some are consonants. He randomly chooses a letter tile and places it back in the bag. He chooses 4 vowels and 2 consonants. How many vowels are in the bag? So how many has he pulled out already? Which is 6. He's pulled out 6 outcomes, and 4 of those are vowels. So we're going to take that setup right there, and then we're going to set it equal to 24 being the whole on the bottom, and then do the multiplication. So 24 times 4 is 96, equals 6x, divided by 6, x equals 16 vowels.